Boneiru doesn't end at the shoreline. Beneath the surface, the reef is still alive. But coral that took decades to grow can disappear much faster. And once it's gone, there's no quick way back.
We are protecting and restoring the beautiful coral reefs of Boneiru. They are historically one of the most biodiverse coral reefs in the region. They are incredibly important for the economy, for the fishermen, for the biodiversity, for protecting our coastlines. They play a vital part in our ecosystems here on the island.
That's why the work starts while there's still something to save. Corals are grown, returned to the reef, and given the chance to take hold again.
This work must continue because the reef has been struggling in the last couple of years. We've seen bleaching events happen. We've seen the coral populations decline. And what we do is really try to put those populations back onto the reef to maintain those populations, to increase the coral coverage. The corals that we have outplanted on the reef, which is about 13,000 square meters of reef area that we have worked on, they are reproducing themselves and really spawning and breeding themselves.
The signs of recovery are there, but the reef is still losing ground. And what is coming back needs time to become strong enough to last.
In the 15 years that we've been around, we've achieved a lot. We started small, figuring out what worked, what didn't, and now we've been able to really scale up what we have been doing. In the lab, we can do coral breeding, meaning that we can grow new generations of corals that we can put onto the reef. And the point of this is to build a more resilient reef that is there for future generations to come.
There is still a living reef to protect. Keep it that way. Protect what's at risk of disappearing.